See, I have placed here 110 volt. It is actually 110 kV. Okay, I shall edit it. How to edit it? Very simple. I told previously. Just click on it and press TE. Okay, T edit. Okay, now it has highlighted. You can press kilovolt over here. Also, you can write down 50 hertz, comma incoming line. No, just I'll write incoming line. Okay, coming line. See, it's so simple. And how to place this? Just zoom in and place anywhere at desired location. Okay, and press escape. Okay, so I'll open PDF once again. So I've done all the equipments right from the beginning 1 to 9. Okay, now actually we need how many? 2 incoming lines, no, but we have done only one, right? I can copy it and paste it once again here later once we do with the remaining things. That's not a big deal, and it will be same for the another line also. You can write on incoming line 1, incoming line 2 for your reference sake. Shall write it itself without making any delay. Okay, incoming line 1, right? This is 1. Fine. Okay. Now we shall draw outgoing line. So you might be wondering where is bus bar and all. We shall deal with that later. Now we shall concentrate on drawing from B, that is outgoing line 1 to 8. Okay, so first thing what comes in the list in the sequence is oil circuit breaker. So I shall place it. Oil circuit breaker, where it is? Yes, it's here. Should place over here somewhere by doing like this. So you might be wondering where are HV bus bars? It would be somewhere in between these two, incoming line and outgoing line. So we shall bother about that later. First, we shall finish off that outgoing line. Okay. Next, CT, right? CT is the next one. Where is CT? Current transformer. Okay, it's over here. Let's connect it. Next, transformer step up or step down, if any, I have written C. So it is not that always we have to add transformer step up or step down, if any, step up or step down. It all depends on the problem, if any have written. So let us read the problem once again. You can see outgoing lines. How many are there? There is one 110 kV. So it will be no having any transformer here, because whatever incoming line is there, the same thing will be outgoing line. But we have 311 kV 50 hertz. What does it mean? There are 3 transformers required to step down voltage from 110 kV to 11 kV, right? So we shall be using 3 11 kV transformers, step down transformers, which will be stepping down from 110 to 11 kV. Okay, so along with that, one 110 kV 50 hertz line will be using, right? So first we shall do with this. How many? 110 kV 50 hertz. So there will be no any requirement of any transformer here. Okay, so I shall skip this. Which one? Transformer step up step down, because it doesn't require any transformer. So if that's why the reason I've written if any. Next, LTOCB. Do we require LTOCB? No. Why? Because anyhow we are not at all stepping down the 110 kV. We are using it as same. So this LTOCB will be also not required. But you can use lighting arrestor. Not a problem. Okay. I shall be using lighting arrestor. Go here, look for lighting arrestor. Lighting arrestor also over here. Okay, connect it. Next, after lighting arrestor, what we have? We have PT, right? PT. Where is potential transformer? It's over here. Okay, do like this and that, so that after drawing a line it will be having no any problem. Okay, next what we have in the list, feeders if any outgoing. Okay, so that is actually a feeder, one outgoing line, so I shall draw one feeder there. Okay, outgoing line. And to substation if any, are we giving to any substation? That is not present in the problem, just it is given it as one outgoing 110 kV line, so this will be ignored. Only one feeder I shall draw, that is one outgoing line. Okay, you can see how I drawn a feeder over here, just connect it. Okay, so this is your feeder, so one outgoing line. So I shall copy this and paste here somewhere. I shall edit it. Okay, because by doing so what happens, the font size will be all same. So how to edit? You can click it and press TE, right? TE, T edit, enter. Okay, it is now highlighting, so it will be outgoing line. No? Instead of incoming, you just remove incoming and press outgoing, like outgoing line 1, right? Okay, then press anywhere else. So this is 1. Okay, now this is all done with respect to the problem. Next, what we have, see, this is what we have drawn, 110 kV 50 hertz. Next is we require 3 outgoing lines in addition to this. Okay, how many it is? 11 kV. Again we shall follow the same sequence here. First thing, OCB, can do like this, so that they will remain in proper scale. Okay, a proper line you can call. Next comes is CT. After CT, what we have, can see transformer. Yes, here we require this step up or step down. Yes, it is step down, not step up. Why? Because voltage is getting step down to 11 kV from 110 kV. So I shall be using step down, not step up. Okay, see where is step down? Yes, it's over here. Shall use this step down. Okay, next, after step down, if any, I have used one. So next comes is LTOCB, right? LTOCB, low tension circuit breaker. Okay, LTOCB in sense. Next, for LTOCB we have again lighting arrestor. It's there, so connect it. Okay, next what we have, again we have PT. Do like this and add, so that lines will be proper. Okay, line and connect them, then press escape. PT is all over. Next, feeders if any. Okay, next is to substation. Okay, anyhow we are not at all giving any to substation and all, as of the problem we are at feeders if any. So you can see once again the problem 3. Okay, till here we are done. That is 111 kV 50 hertz I have drawn. Still 2 more we are supposed to draw. Okay, feeders if any, we shall see that later part. Feeders anyhow, we don't require any feeders here. And again to substation if any, as per the problem concerned. Okay, we shall see that feeders as well as substation requirement later. Okay, So now as I told, we need three number. So what I will do is I will copy this, control copy, control V, control V. Okay, see, I have placed three 11 kV lines, right? 11 kV lines, 1 2 3, whereas 110 kV line. Okay, that is 1110 kV 50 hertz outgoing line 1. Okay, next what we have. Okay, so we have drawn all this. Don't worry about the feeders and all, we shall see that later part. So outgoing lines are all done. That is 110 kV as well as 3 11 kV 50 hertz line. Okay, next what we require transformers. So how many transformer we require? We require two 5 MVA 110 kV bar 11 kV transformer, and that too it is three phase delta connected, right? We shall write this delta later, but don't worry about delta and all. So see how many transformers we require. We require two 5 MVA 110 11 kV, but here the problem, you can see that it is told 311 kV outgoing lines. So if there are 311 kV outgoing lines, in sense we require three 5 MVA 110 kV 11 kV lines. So instead of 2 it should be 3 here. So we'll be drawing 3 transformers. Already we have drawn it, yes or not? We have drawn this 311 kV. Where it is? Where we have drawn? Yes, these are the 3 transformers which are stepping down from 110 kV to 11 kV. 1 2 3. Okay, so this is done. So shall tick it. Okay, next 115 MVA 110 bar 220 kV 3 phase transformer. See, again I require a step up transformer here, which I haven't used as of now. So it is going to step up from 110 kV to 220 kV. So that line we haven't drawn, so I shall draw a line, or I shall draw that particular transformer having 110 kV bar 220 kV 3 phase. Okay, shall do that. Go to this. Okay, anyhow I will going to copy this, or better copy this. We shall change that in between later. Shall copy this. Anyhow I require transformer, right? Because we are going to step it up. Okay, so instead of step down, what I will do, I'm going to add, I shall delete this first. Step up, no, step up. Where is step up? Yeah, so 110 kV will be stepped up to 220 kV. Naturally I require here not LTOCB. I require here what? High tension OCB or just OCB. Okay, if we can add any numbers, not a problem. Okay, we are not restricted to just to have. Okay, you can see this added properly, not a big deal. Okay, so now we have done what? This part 115 MVA 110 bar 220 kV 3 phase delta connected transformer. We shall write the delta later. First we shall draw all those things. So it's a one line. Okay, now here you can see that auxiliary stations that require how many transformer? One transformer of rating 500 kVA, and the voltage rating is 11 kV bar 440 volts. So obviously here we have stepped down from 110 to 11 kV. Then obviously this 11 kV line, have to take one 11 kV line out of it and I have to step it down to 400 voltage. So okay, 11 kV and 400 volt will